Rajasthan District Court exams exercise 15 at the speed of 100 words per minute. Be ready. Start. The Swachh Bharat Gramin Phase 1 Guidelines 2017 state that requirements and sensitivities related to gender, including dignity and safety issues, are to be taken into account at all stages of sanitation programs, from planning to post implementation. The Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation released the guidelines recognizing the gender dimensions of sanitation in India. It emphasized not only the need for women's participation in planning and implementation of sanitation interventions but also their leadership in SBMG committees and institutions. Stop para. The Sustainable Development Goals require India by 2030 to achieve access to adequate and equitable sanitation and hygiene for all and end open defecation, paying special attention to the needs of women and girls and those in vulnerable situations. Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0 speaks of sustained behavioral change while embarking on the newer agendas of sustainable solid waste management and safe disposal of wastewater and reuse. Planning, procurement, infrastructure creation, and monitoring are the basic tenets of the implementation in Swachh Bharat, and the guidelines for the first phase of the mission called for strengthening the role of women. The states were accordingly expected to ensure adequate representation of women in the village water and sanitation committees, leading to optimal gender outcomes. Stop para. In several states, the guidelines were strictly adhered to. This capturing has happened in panchayat seats as well, but research has shown that over time, women do pick up the challenge and, if voted back, are likely to assume charge. The government has also very effectively used over 8 lakh Swachh Grahis, mainly women, who for small honorariums work to push through behavioral changes at the community level. There are no quick solutions other than adopting concerted approaches to ensure the survival and protection of the girl child through good health from sanitation and nutrition and provision of water to liberate women from collecting water and enabling their education. Fortunately, there are spirited instances of women leaders in sanitation. Uttara Thakur, a differently abled panchayat head from Chhattisgarh, was determined to improve sanitation services in her village. She went door to door to motivate people to use toilets. Her contagious spirit mobilized the whole village to join hands and become open defection free. Stop para. Information, education, and communication, which aims at behavior change of the masses, is key to the success of the Swachhata Mission 2.0. During the early years of implementation, the messaging touched on the shame and dignity of women. While these were useful entry point messages, they carry the risk of lack of ownership by men and the reinforcing of gender stereotypes. In one of the promotional videos of SBM featuring celebrity ambassador Vidya Balan, the protagonist asks a man on his wedding day whether he had a toilet at home, to which the answer was negative. This prompts her to ask the bride to remove her veil, suggesting that a man who lets his wife defecate in the open has no right to ask her to follow the parda. This was later amended, highlighting the importance of viewing every communication through a gender lens, lest there be unintended collateral damage. Stop para. The India Sanitation Coalition has helped link microfinance with self help groups run by women for sanitation needs. Increasingly, interventions with these groups, which drive livelihoods, can be designed to produce income and well being impact with water sanitation and hygiene bracket wash programs, a national monitoring and evaluation systems to track and measure gender outcomes in SBM is necessary. Several researchers in this space have commented that gender analysis frameworks have a long history in development practice. We can learn from these frameworks to support design, implementation, and measurement that can bridge the gender equality gap in sanitation. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with others. Press the bell icon for more updates. Do use the comment section for your suggestions. Thank you.